is going on, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I don't know if any of you know, but I have had some problems with snakes lately. These snakes have been getting inside the chicken coop. A couple of them have wanted eggs from my chickens, and a couple of them have been venomous. I have seen 2 on the porch. I don't know if those were the rat snakes or not, but just recently I did find a rattlesnake, which was in the big brush pile that is up against my pine tree. Now, one of the reasons why I push all of this up against the pine tree is because I really have nowhere else to put it. But by doing this, it gives wildlife a place to live. I can imagine foxes can fit under there, skunks, raccoons, opossum, rabbits, squirrels, whatever wants to get under there. Especially these snakes have that room to get under there. So in today's video, I am going to be clearing around that whole entire tree. I do have things that I'm going to be doing with the things in the pile, which is one reason why I didn't want to do this in the first place. I need to separate the pine needles out because I'm using them for the wildflower garden paths. But then there's also wood sticks, random wood sticks that fall. I'm going to be putting those in the guest wood piles. And then there are some brush from old plants. So we're going to probably be putting those in my current mulch pit, and we'll probably mix that up. So we're going to take care of this problem once and for all, take away that hiding spot for all those predators, and I'll be able to walk through my little path once again. I am going to be getting some help in this project, so he'll be here later on, but I'm going to start right now. We'll probably be using rakes, and I don't know what's going to happen if we come across the snake. Hopefully we startle it enough so it can go the other way. So let's get out there, gather up our tools, and let's clean up that area.
Hey, this is the section that I saw the snake. I saw the snake in between here. I walked right past it and it did not strike. It's not there anymore, but I am going to wait until my friend gets here so that we can do this together, because I don't want to agitate this pile. But that we're going to be cleaning up this entire brush pile right there so that snakes and predators and wildlife don't have a place to hide. Because quite honestly, a fox can fit in there. It is soft and squishy, as if there's like they're building their homes in there, and I just don't want that. This section up here is where the snakes get in, and behind that wall is where the rat snake was. So I don't know how to get in between that wall and the inner section of the chicken coop. I did research that copperheads do kill chickens, so I need to get this done ASAP. Hopefully as we clear this brush pile, it scatters away and goes somewhere else, because literally the chicken coop is right there, and I do not want any of my chickens being harmed by this snake or any venomous snakes. I just don't want it to happen. So I'm going to be taking away its home. Unfortunately, this is the mulch pile, and I'm not going to be removing that, but I will mix it more just to agitate the area more to make sure that there are no snakes or predators inside there. We are in my chicken coop right now, and most of it has the chicken wire around this bigger caged, but snakes can still fit through here. That's how the rat snake fit through here. And I'm going to come in here. They have gotten through all of these holes. They do fit through those holes. And the area that I am most concerned about is this is the wall, and on the other side is a 4-inch space before you hit that tarp. So this is the section that I am worried about. There is tons of different holes that a snake can get in. There is holes back here, so I've done a lot of artwork to try to cover up any spaces they could get in. I might as well go ahead and cover up that whole section too, because these snakes are finding ways to get in. This is also another section that I've had to cover up because the snakes get behind there. There's also a 4-inch hole between this lean-to and my workshop, so that's why this is an unconventional coop. It's not a traditional coop. It's kind of just put together. I put sides on it. Had to put some things up there so that it could be more protected. I do have some tools ready. We're going to be using rakes. I don't know if we're going to need a shovel. There's not too much weeds around there, so hopefully we'll just do a little weed eating, but we're going to be stirring up that pile, and again, the snake is in there. I'm hoping it goes the other way. I need these pine needles for a project at the back of my property, and we need to get this whole living area out of there because it's huge. The video doesn't even do it justice. I gather all of this junk up here because I don't really know where to put all of it. It's a lot of old dead plants and pine needles. I actually did start putting some wood chips right here just to make this path easier, but once this brush is out of there, I can put more wood chips around this tree and not gather up all of that stuff, just have a different place to put it. All right, so my friend is here. He's going to be helping me. We did get all of these tools out. We don't know what's going to happen, but we're both going to be working on this. Good thing we're in some shade right here. And we're going to chisel away at this pile and hopefully not give the snake a place to live or even hide out, because chicken coop is right there and I just don't want them to be harmed. Okay, we have a little system going here. We're putting pine needles in one pile, sticks and branches in a couple other piles, filling this little pool with pine cones. We're starting to basically stimulate this whole area so that, I don't know if we're trying to alert the snake to let it know we're coming. We're just digging in. Got about half the tree done. This looks like we're hitting some earth right there, so we're gonna move over here to this pile. Started making a bunch of piles. All the pine needles that we find we're putting in the back of the golf cart to take down to the wildflower garden section. It's almost done and we have not come across a snake yet. So all we have to do is just this little section right here. We'll scoop some of that pine. That's where it came out of, so I don't really know if it's still in there or if it moved on. We're getting this whole section cleared. Okay, the last section has been done. The snake is apparently gone, thank goodness, because I didn't want to have to take matters into my hands, whether that be killing it or relocating it. All right now we are putting the last of the pine needles into these pools. We're going to take it down to the wildflower gardens, and eventually I'm going to put wood chips around this tree and not save up all the debris that was there. All these things that are over there that we sorted, I'm going to end up putting those in piles as well. Probably burning the pine cones. And this section is finally clean. So this is where all the pine needles are going, so that was good that we were able to clear out around the pine tree so that I had some more mulch for these wood chip paths by the wildflower gardens.
Hopefully now that that area is all cleaned up, it gives snakes and other wildlife predators no place to hide, or no place to hide passing through. I don't want to walk past there if that big brush pile was there. I'm glad my friend and I got it all cleaned up. Thank you so much, Josh, for your help. I'm going to be going around the property and cleaning up all the brush piles. I've been basically putting them on hold, but now that I know that these snakes hide in these brush piles and I kind of work around them and near them, I want to get as many of those out of the way that I can, and we will clean it all up and hopefully make the whole homestead a safer place for myself, the guests, and my chickens. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and click the notifications bell so you can receive a notification every time I post a new video, which is every Sunday. Thanks guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Later on, but I'm going to be doing it right now. He'll be here later on. Don't put any of this.
What is going on here?
In my previous, don't put previous.
It was a bee. Killing it or dislocating, don't put that. What are you two doing in there?